यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें।
Should I learn maths for coding? Now, this is a question I get asked a lot, and the simplest answer is maybe, maybe not. Because see, the reason for me for giving this diplomatic answer is understand the context. Now, why maths is important? Let's first talk about why maths is important for programming. Now, maths as a language, when earlier before 20 before this 2000, before the 21st century, when people had to deliver ideas, they were used to take support of maths. Now maths is actually delivering your ideas before 21st. Now it might not sound relevant, but yeah, if you see the journey of Mr. Ramanujan, if you see other mathematicians, all of these guys were actually building ideas, and the process were very similar, like how we code today. The process was very similar to what, how they were used to prove the theorems and do the stuff. Now after 2000, which is 21st century, a revolution came in, which is programming. When earlier, binary came in, then of course like C++ and more higher level of languages came in, then now we have JavaScript and all of these languages which can create like really really incredible stuff, and that's how the idea kicked in. Now when people were building programming, initially they have the idea of mathematics behind their mind, and that's how the evolution of programming actually came into the picture. When you write a function in programming, even exactly what a function is, have you ever thought of that? In 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 maths, we were used to do functions, right? If you guys remember that, we had something like f of x, f of g of x, right? That's eventually a function of function, right? So this is what a function actually is, and x is the parameter, the arguments you pass. So at the very basic level, maths is the mother, or maybe father, I don't know the gender, but yeah, maths is actually the one who gave birth to programming. Now the thing is, and even like if you see a very core concept of programming, which is recursion. Now recursion is PMI, which is principle of mathematical induction, where you have a base case, then you have a hypothesis, and then you prove for a bigger hypothesis, and then you say that this is proven. Now eventually the smaller hypotheses are true. So all the concepts, whether you talk about currying, whether you talk about like any other function, any other stuff, any other concept, it is eventually coming from programming, from mathematics itself. So yes, maths gave birth to programming, but is it really important for you to learn all of that? Is it really important for you to be good at maths and then only that, like, it is a constraint? No, simply no. If you are a creator, if you are someone who can think, if you are someone who can build, if you are someone who can break, if you are someone who can break and build and can repeat the cycle, then you are a programmer. Then you can do programming. So it is not important until unless, of course, if you are into like fields which really really require maths and physics concepts like quantum computing and machine learning and data science, which require you to learn statistics, 3D geometry and all of that stuff. So other than that, no, you are not required to do that. Of course, a little bit of algebra and stuff everyone understands. We are engineers, we do understand. Even if you are not engineer, you must you are able to understand all of that. So a little bit of that is fine, right? But no, you don't need to open your notebooks and like write calculus functions and differentiations and do all of that. No, that's not required. Okay, so I think you might have gained something out of the video. If you have done, then please hit that like button, please comment and subscribe to the channel and share with your other programmer buddies. Thank you.